Microsoft can't ignore a new noise when uptime is on the line.
When everything looks fine, but one weird noise says trouble, do you shut it down anyway?
So here's how I'd approach it. If the noise is new and credible, I isolate the equipment safely. If I can, I shut it down. At a colo site, I heard a dry squeal from a CRAH fan at 2:10 a.m. The screen looked normal, but the sound kept changing. I checked the neighbor unit, the vibration strip, and trend history. The motor housing was about 8 degrees hotter than the one beside it. We had N+1 capacity, so I brought the redundant unit online, isolated the noisy fan, and called the on-call engineer. It turned out to be a bearing starting to fail. I stayed until supply air stabilized and the log was clean. In facilities, a small change in tone is often the first warning. My rule is simple: protect the service, document the facts, and make the risk visible fast.